Well, new at 6, the coronavirus is still on the rise, affecting hundreds of people overseas, with cases continuing to pop up in the U.S. 12 News' Anna Farish is live at the State Department of Health to show us how Mississippi is preparing. Anna.
Well, thankfully, this is something that hasn't happened here in our state, but officials say they are monitoring it very closely.
It's important for folks in Mississippi to understand we're watching this.
State epidemiologist Dr. Paul Byers with the Mississippi Health Department says the coronavirus is not something to take lightly.
In the U.S. right now, there have been 5 identified cases of this coronavirus. Those are cases that have been imported. So these were individuals who had contact outside of the U.S. in China. In Wuhan City, actually.
This deadly virus has killed over 100 people in China and continues to spread worldwide panic. Dr. Byers says the virus comes in a form of a respiratory illness that causes fever, coughing, and shortness of breath. But the coronavirus itself is more common than we think.
There are lots of different types of coronavirus. Typically, these will infect animals, and sometimes when there is very close contact to an animal, a virus can infect a person. And we've seen that before with things like new viruses like flu that have gone from birds to people or pigs to people.
Multiple airlines have chosen to stop flights to China in hopes of preventing the virus from spreading further. But Byers says if you're simply walking through the airport, there's really no reason to worry.
Just walking through the airport is, especially in the United States, it's important to understand that the general public is not at risk for being exposed to this virus right now.
If you're sick and traveling, make sure to cover your coughs and sneezes and wash your hands as much as possible, and go to the doctor as soon as you can. Now, again, the Mississippi State Department of Health is working very closely with the CDC to make sure that the coronavirus stays out of our state. Live in downtown Jackson, Anna Farish, 12 News.